Slovenia, it's all in our nature. Courage, passion, pride, perseverance. Slovenia has a heart that beats for sports. We are lucky to live in one of the greenest countries in the world with extraordinary natural landscapes that inspire passion for being active. Our stunning environment has shaped Slovenian athletes to be both cooperative and victorious. Launched ahead of the Paris 2024 Olympic Games, this campaign was the first collaboration between the Slovenian Tourist Board and the Olympic Committee of Slovenia. Together, we united Slovenians to support their athletes while introducing Slovenia to the world as a land of natural beauty and resilience, shaped by its people and landscapes. To tell this story, we combined the strength of our top athletes with Slovenia's iconic landscapes, highlighting how their achievements are inspired by the land itself. From the heights of Mount Triglav to the depths of Postojna Cave, each scene reflects the unique strengths of our athletes and the indomitable spirit of the Slovenian people. Their determination echoes Slovenia's untamed beauty, a land where every vista invites adventure. Using a stunning dual exposure technique, we fused Slovenia's athletes with its landscapes. To enhance the experience, we combined DJ Umek's vibrant music with authentic recordings of Slovenia's nature, creating a soundtrack as dynamic and genuine as the country itself. The production overcame unique challenges: athletes' busy schedules during Olympic qualifications, weather unpredictability, and coordination across multiple partners. For the first time, our campaign proudly included Slovenia's Paralympians. Their remarkable achievements reflect our commitment to showcasing resilience, inclusivity, and national pride on the global stage. This campaign brought Slovenia to 22 countries, showcasing it as a premier destination where nature inspires excellence in both sport and tourism. At home, we encourage Slovenians to cheer for their athletes with prideful messages. Slovenia, uspeh je v naši naravi, or Slovenia, success is in our nature. Together, we presented Slovenia as more than just a destination. It's a story, a feeling, and a nature we carry within us, connected by our land, heritage, and ambition. Slovenia, it's all in our nature.